Hello, boys and girls. Are you ready for a fun activity with Play-Doh or modeling clay? I am. So first, let's go over what we are talking about. We're talking about landforms on Earth. Now, you remember that there are many different landforms, but Ms. Melanie is only focusing on 4 landforms today. You can pick whichever landforms you want for this project, but I decided to choose a landform that is surrounded by water, which is called an island. Next one I chose was a landform that is rounded on top and is lower than a mountain. Yes, you're right. Hills. The other landform I chose has a peak at the top and it is taller than a hill. Yes, you're right. It's a mountain. And the last one I chose has a vent on top of it, and it could erupt or explode with lava. Yes, you're right. A volcano. Now you pick the 4 you want, and you put them in front of you, like I'm doing right now. So they're in front of me. So here's the volcano, here's the mountain, here's hills, and here's an island. And I'm going to start with an island. So I said an island is surrounded by water. So let's use blue first. So I'm going to take the blue out and take some blue. It's all right, you may have to mix up some of it. I'm going to roll it up. You could roll or you could flatten it. I first like to roll it, then I'm going to flatten it onto the table. You can use a mat like I am, or you can use a plate, whatever the mommy and daddy give you, to make your models of landforms. So here's my water. And now I'm going to take some green to make an island to go on top of it. So I'm going to take a little bit less green. I'm going to keep the green out because I'm going to use it again. Rolling it up again. I'm going to squish it on the table again. And you can make your landform look whatever way you want your island to look like. There's my island, and I'm going to put it on to the water. And that's an island. Here's my island. Now I'm going to make a hill. I'm going to use yellow. Okay. Ready? I'm going to roll it up again. This time I'm going to roll it around and I'm going to put it down on my table. And you play around with it to make it round on top, to make a hill. And squish it and pinch it, and I got a hill. Here's my hill. Next, I'm going to make a mountain. And I'm going to use green and yellow. And the rest of my yellow, because mountains are bigger. So I'm going to roll up and do the bottom of the mountain first. Flatten it and squish it together. And here's the bottom of my mountain. And now I'm going to take the top of my mountain. Remember to make a peak on top. And here is my mountain. And last, I'm going to make my volcano. So I'm going to use different layers for this volcano so I can make it big. So I'm going to use the rest of my blue to be the bottom. So we'll move this out of the way. Here you see the blue is the bottom. Squish it up. there, make a piece of land, and then you can put some green to make the peak. Let's make this go up a little bit more. There. And then make a peak out of this. Make it a triangle. Put it on top. And here's my volcano. How can I make it a volcano? I need to take some red to make the lava. And here's some red. This time I'm going to take pieces. And I'm going to connect it to my volcano to make it look like lava is coming out of my volcano. And a few more pieces to make it look like the lava is coming out. So here is my volcano. So let's go over. An island is surrounded by water. So I made the island and I put water. Next is a hill. A hill is rounded and smaller than a mountain. And here is my hill. So let's see if it's smaller than a mountain. And here's my mountain. It has the peak on the top. And is my hill smaller? Yes, it is. And then last, I made a volcano. And here is my volcano with the lava coming out. Now, I can't wait to see what you all do. I hope you take lots of pictures and video. And parents, please email your teachers these pictures or these videos so we can see how the children did on their Play-Doh or modeling clay landforms. Bye. See you soon.